Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Legion, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Settings and choose Bluetooth. Now click on this switcher if it's not already on to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then wait for the pop-up to show up. Over here, you need to select Power in it and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but if you wish to disconnect them, you can do that by choosing this little icon with a in it next to the device and selecting Forget. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!